Hello everyone, I hope you are well and I'm fine by the grace of Allah. So at the time we are catching fish. You can see this is my pond and this is my cousin and this is my nephew and this is my brother and this is my uncle. So we are catching fish together. Already I I have caught many fry fish. You can see, yeah, all fry fish and very nice to see. And this spot you can see barbel fish and fry fish. So I am very happy and excited. Inshallah, next time I will uh, I will catch fish uh, 5 hours later, inshallah. So inshallah I will show you how to catch fish. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share and comments. So bye.